Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Janga chakada kariva malagal kariva odiva kelasa bitted odiva. Welcome back everyone. This is What Is This, which was powered by VEX Entertainment, and I'm your host Hari Krishnan, aka HRK. So today's our topic is little bit different. Like we can think about eco-friendly like this. You can all can see this kind of things for eco-friendly. So our today's What Is This is all about what is this nature. That's it. So first of all, right now I am in Vagamon right now. So you can all see my friends are messing around here, and you can see and this is one of the very wonderful scenery which I can see right now. So that's funny, right? So now we can directly go back to our folks and we can ask them like what they are thinking about nature, right? What do you think about nature?
Nature? This is nature.
What do you think about nature?
Nature? Nature is all about Mala.
Malala, Kunda.
No, it's not Kunda, it's mountain.
So I think now you guys got almost some kind of idea about nature, right? Like we need to love nature. See, just think like if you're in a very much tension and in a busy place after the work, you guys will be exhausted. So you definitely need to love nature. Like if we sleep in the top of the hill, it was too much heaven. Rather than you guys are resting in the 5-star hotel or something like that, this is a 1-million-star hotel. So what we can do? We can do these kinds of things. I love nature. So we're right here in the woods right now, and you can see these kinds of fine forests we are right now over here. And you can see a lot of other things also coming. These are falling in everywhere, and this is also some kind of nature streak. And you can see the rock falling and lot of other and lot of stuffs here. And when you come to a place like this, you can definitely you get those silence. Silence is the main important thing which you need to have, because in a silence you can relieve your tension and whatever the things which is coming, you can relieve all that thing. That's the beauty of the nature. If you ever enjoy your nature, your life will be superb. So that's all which I need to say about nature, and I hope that this is one of my awkward video I think I have ever put it on here. So I hope you guys like this. I'm not going to edit this video that much because this is that much crazier video you can see right now. And so also with my friends we had lot of good funs and other things. Our friends, it's too much awesome. So I hope if you guys like this video, please share it with your friends. And that's it. Okay, we can see in the next time. Okay, like punch it.